Think about the time you spend at a 9-to-5 job. You clock out and get paid $200 for the day. Now imagine spending 1 to 2 hours a day creating a simple YouTube video. Once monetized, that single video can generate thousands of dollars, potentially even tens of thousands of dollars, over the next 5 to 10 years, as long as it continues to generate views. So those few hours you spent on it now have unlimited earning potential. When you create a YouTube video, you create a digital asset that can make you a millionaire, not a 9-to-5 job. Today, I'm going to give you the roadmap on how you can make $100,000 from one single YouTube video without showing your face or doing tons of work. And anyone can start doing this today. It's a strategy, and I'm going to share that strategy with you today. When people need an answer to something, the #1 search engine they turn to is Google. The second most used search engine is YouTube. This is statistically proven, and people don't just use YouTube for information, but also for entertainment purposes. Just like how some people binge watch Netflix, people binge watch YouTube too. I will be providing you with a formula and a strategy to achieve this for yourself. And this video also includes a tutorial on how you can start making these videos yourself. I will even show you an AI tool called InVideo AI that will allow you to create these videos in your own voice with just a simple text prompt, without you ever having to edit or strip your videos. Make sure you watch all the way through to the end of this video because I packed it with tons of information and knowledge that people will try to charge you thousands of dollars to hear. My YouTube channel is your #1 source for 100% free education and courses. I like visuals and examples, so I want you to take a look at this simple faceless YouTube video. You can see that this video is just a mix of stock footage clips with a voiceover behind it. This video was posted last year and now has over 6 million views. Let's do some math. Once you are monetized, YouTube pays you a certain rate for 1,000 views, depending on the type of video you create. Based on my own experience, a video in this niche would have an RPM of around $1.60. That means that this video is earning around $1.60 for 1,000 views. You might be wondering, how is that calculated? You can clearly see that this video is geared towards adults. Advertisers pay more for videos that have a higher converting target audience. So you are not going to get that same RPM for a video of a comedy skit. You will see that this single video made an estimated over $12,000. You serious? Remember, this is just one video. The whole snowball effect happens when you have multiple videos that are getting views and generating you money. Before you know it, you have a 6-figure earning YouTube channel. And the more videos you make, the more your channel grows. You can even become a millionaire just by making simple YouTube videos. I really hope this information is helpful to you. All right. Let me show you the video we're going to create. First, check out this channel called Kickflix. They've posted only 65 videos so far, but have managed to gain an impressive 1.3 million subscribers and over 500 million views. This channel was created on September 17, 2013, but they only started posting videos 2 years ago. It's amazing to see how much success they've achieved in such a short time. Let's get started with our plan for today. Firstly, we need to brainstorm a video idea. Once we have the idea, we can move on to writing a script. After that, we will generate a voiceover and use a free video editing tool to put the final video together. Finally, we'll create a clickable thumbnail for the video to attract more views. Let's begin the process of finding a video idea by visiting a YouTube channel or any other channel that you plan to model. Look for a video that has performed well in the past and copy the link. Next, open DubDub and click on Home. Then select Transcription. Choose YouTube, paste the link you just copied, and click on the transcribe button. DubDub will automatically transcribe the video for you. All you need to do now is copy the script, open a Google Doc, and paste the script there. We will still use DubDub's AI writing feature. To do this, go back to the home page and click on AI writing. Click on Ask AI to write, select the video script. Finally, click on the blue icon to generate a wonderful script that is ready to use. The next step in creating a voiceover is to use 11 labs. To begin, select the voice you want to use by clicking on Voice Library and then choosing Narrative and Story. From there, navigate to the available voices and choose the one that best suits your preferences. Next, click on Add to Voice Lab. After that, go back to Voice Lab and select the voice you just added by clicking on Use. Then copy the script from your Google Doc where you tested it, paste it here, and click on Generate. You can listen to the voice to be sure it sounds good before proceeding to the next step. We are going to edit the video using CapCut to put the clips together. First, open CapCut either on the desktop version or the web version. Import your voiceover and stock footage into CapCut. Drag the voiceover into the timeline and zoom in a bit for better visibility. Next, drag the clips on top of the voiceover. Remove the audio that came with the clips by clicking on Extract Audio. Arrange the clips and proceed to add filters by clicking on the filter icon. Clear is a good filter to use as it maintains good video quality. Drag and drop it into the timeline, click on the text icon and select Auto Caption. Change the language to English and click on Create Your Subtitle. Arrange the subtitles and click on Save. Create your subtitle. Arrange the subtitle and choose the format or style you want it to be displayed in. To make the caption pop, go to Basic. Scroll down to Scale. Increase the number to 120. Enable Stroke and increase the thickness to 60. Lastly, enable the background and reduce it to 47. Add background music by clicking on the audio library. Searching for football background music, selecting the one you like and dragging it into the timeline. Trim it and reduce the volume so it doesn't overpower the main voiceover. Some football players have a secret, but let's start with Neymar's story, because he almost made his entire family homeless. It all started in Sao Paulo, Brazil, where growing up, he and his family were so poor. They were one mistake away from losing everything. And even though Neymar was just a little kid with a football and a dream, it was completely up to him to save the day. One month, his dad forgot about the electricity bill, and on the last day to pay, he had to work. So Dad had no choice but to trust this kid with the money. And even though Neymar was young, I'm sure he understood the importance of keeping lights on. So he was down to go pay the bill. But as Neymar was walking down the street, he saw something crazy. There was a raffle where he had a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to win his dream car. And there was no way he could pass that up. So he went in and bought a ticket. And later that night, he could barely sleep. All he could think about was cruising down the street in his new whip until the next morning. Make sure to subscribe and like the video, and most importantly, comment down below.